Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change profile picture in WhatsApp group on desktop. So let's start it. At first, open your desktop. Now you can see, now you going to the Chrome browser. Now open the Chrome browser. Now you can see, now you going to the WhatsApp. Now open the WhatsApp in the loading. Now wait and see. Now I'm going to the WhatsApp group. Scroll your mouse and now open the WhatsApp group. Now click from three dot option. Now click. Now you can see, then I show the new interface and click from change community icon. Now click from upload photo. Now I choose from picture. Now click for open. Now click from tick mark. That is. Now you can see. Now since the profile picture in WhatsApp group is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for